Hello, everyone. What I'm going to do today is give you a demonstration of Cyberlink PowerDirector and show you how good it is to use. So I'm just going to share my screen here. Okay, so this is Cyberlink PowerDirector, and in the media content library, it comes with some free MP3s, audio files, JPEGs, photos, as well as MP4s that you can use. What I'm going to do is use the stock content because I have a paid plan. And I'll do my video on what would be good to do it on. I'll do it on what would be good to do it on? Would be on pets. I'll do it on pets, okay? All right. Okay, so I just looked up pets there. Oh, there's some really cute ones. Okay, so I'll select this one. I've used that one before. I'll select this one. I'll select this one. That one's cute. Let's see that one closer. Yeah, that one's really nice. This one's really nice. This one's really nice. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I'll choose about 10 clips. Oh, that one's nice. That one's nice. Okay, that makes 9. And mainly dogs here. And I like that. So we're going to go and download that. So hopefully it won't cause connection issues with Zoom. And okay, so I'm downloading these from Shutter. Okay, sorry, we lost connection there. Okay, they were successfully downloaded. Okay, let me share screen again. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So they're all here in downloaded. So what I'm going to do here is choose the ones that I chose that were about animals. So I'm going to put this one down. Oh, aspect ratio. Okay. It is highly, you change the project aspect to 16:9. So I'm going to go okay. All right. And so that one, it shows you a check mark once you've used it. And then I'm just going to overlap that one. And then a box will pop up. I'm going to click crossfade. Okay. And I'm just going to show you what that will look like. Okay. Show it here. Crossfade. Okay. So that's the crossfade there. Okay. All right. And bring this back to there. I'll bring it to there. And then what I'll do is get this one and crossfade it again and get these ones about animals. So get this one here, crossfade it again. Okay, let's see what else they have. This one here. Okay, crossfade it again. Okay. That's all music there. And I believe there should be more. Maybe it had not gone up to the top. There actually should be more with animals because I chose 10 of them and I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It may have cut off, but that's okay. That's okay. Let me see if any of them are in the media content library. No, none of them are there. They're all in downloaded. Okay, all right. So now my projects, tree projects. Okay, all right. Okay, all right. So now let's look for some background music. Okay, and I'm gonna search the library by going maybe dogs, because most of them are dogs, and see what comes up. I think something had come up. Okay, so Sly Dog, Mad Dog Blues. That sounds nice. Okay, we'll just download that and it'll go to downloaded. Okay, then we just look for Mad Dog Blues. Mad Dog Blues. Okay, so I'm going to put it there. Okay, bring that. Oh, I should be sharing sound so you can hear what I'm doing here. Okay. Okay. Get this to the beginning. Okay, and then just crunch the sound. Okay, I'm gonna go trim only. Okay, so the sound should be there, even though I'm not seeing the waves. But we'll just double check that. Yep, so that's fine. And then we're gonna do a title card. Okay, we'll do a title card. No, we don't really have to worry about that. It'll have a thumbnail. Okay, so then let's go to transitions. So there's some really nice transitions here. I'll use expanding circles and I'll put that there in the first one. And I'll use what are some other ones they have here? Yeah, this zipper one is nice. I'll use the zipper one. Okay. I'll use the oh, those are the geometric ones. I'll go to all content. I was wondering why it wasn't doing as many as it usually does. Okay, so we do Blizzard. These are automatic transitions, okay? And do this. What are some other really neat ones? Oh, I like this film roll one. Okay, we'll do the film roll one. Okay, and then FX, we won't worry about special effects. Okay, but I'll just show what some of those special effects can be, right? And these are the video overlays. Okay, these are the video overlays. Just going to wait for that to load. Hopefully we won't disconnect again. Okay, so one of these are subscribed. So I'm going to put that and crossfade it at the end there. Okay, and crossfade it. And then I'm going to pull out this sound. Okay, so it matches it. Okay. And that should be about it really in terms of that example. So let's just play that. Okay, and that's the end of that. So then when you're ready to produce the file, which means render it and bring it down into one file, because now the audio and video are separate, you just press on produce. And if you're using the free version of Cyberlink PowerDirector, then there will be a watermark in this area here and that small area there. But if you're paying for it, then no watermark. And then you just press start here. It'll tell you how much of it. Oh, I did have to press start again. It'll tell you how much of it is produced, like what the megabytes are. If size is an issue in terms of what you're uploading, as well as your use space. This is 91.3 megabytes. And then you just open the file there and name it what you want there. Okay. I'm going to name it how to use Cyberlink PowerDirector. Okay. All right. And then save it somewhere. I'm just going to save it in my download so I can upload it to YouTube. Okay. All right. Okay, so that's now done. Now, when you go back, sometimes depending on the version you have, there may be a slight glitch to it. So you just gotta wait. You go with the arrow key up there by produce file to go back to creating your next video. It's just loading. I think definitely Zoom is slowing it down a bit. Hey, I'm just going to stop my share and see if it'll work, and then share screen again. There does seem to be some kind of glitch. Okay. Okay, yeah, it says close program. It doesn't seem to be responding. Okay, so there was just some kind of glitch, just some technical glitch. It's a day for that. Okay, all right. So, but you got a sense of how to use Cyberlink PowerDirector, and sometimes it does get glitchy, but most of the, just like any program does, but most of the time it will work just fine. Okay, and I'll also upload that pets video as well.